The Australian state of Victoria has begun a 10-day COVID-19 testing blitz to try to avoid a second wave of infections. 33 new cases have been confirmed, the highest daily total in 2 months. And about 1,000 troops will be deployed from tomorrow to help. ABC's Mary Guerin reports.
Today, the nation's most intensely focused hunt for the coronavirus went out to the streets.
Keep it up there, pop your head back.
Conducting nasal tests at homes or at mobile sites nearby. Door-to-door visits are informing residents about the virus.
So these are the links for the people who don't understand the certain language.
Authorities aim to test at least half the residents across these areas, starting in Keilor Downs and Broadmeadows, then Maidstone, Alban Vale, Sunshine West, Brunswick West, Fawkner, Reservoir, Hallam and Pakenham.
If we can find all the positives in those suburbs, then they can be home quarantined. We'll then be in a position to be confident that we have in fact contained it.
The teams at testing sites will be supported by Defence Force personnel, and this morning the Defence Minister said they'd also be working at quarantine hotels.
They are assisting in those locations to ensure that quarantine requirements are met.
But that's not what the Premier had in mind.
Some other transportation support, particularly getting people from the airport to hotel quarantine.
I think the Federal Minister may have overstepped her comments about this and what their role is and what our request is.
In the end, the Premier turned down the offer of troops in hotels, and the ABC understands he's now considering using police and protective services officers. There's been confusion too for at-risk groups. This family needed testing because their son is a close contact of a case at Keilor Downs College.
We were told that testing specifically set up for us, and then we were told that we shouldn't go there on that allocated day and that we'd be contacted by the DHHS. And that didn't happen for about 36 hours or so.
We should be careful about assuming that this is the only place that there are undetected cases.
They're testing times in these key suburbs, but all Victorians continue to pay the price, now set to be also banned from AFL and NRL matches in New South Wales.